Welcome to Origami. Much love. Today we're going to be folding a pinwheel that you put onto a pen to spin. As you can see, this is the pinwheel. Oops. Put it on the pen and gently blow. It spins. So all you're going to need is a square sheet of origami paper, and let's begin. The first step is we're going to be folding two diagonals. So we fold first diagonal, unfold, and fold the second diagonal. And unfold. The next step is to make a blintz fold. Now a blintz fold is basically we're gonna fold all four corners into the center. So I take this corner, fold to the center point, I rotate, repeat that step 3 more times, rotate, repeat the step, rotate, and repeat the step. That's a blintz fold. Now the next step is to do another blintz fold from this point. So now we're gonna take this corner, fold it to the center, repeat and rotate and repeat the same step. Then rotate, repeat the same step. And one last time. Now we have 2 blintz folds done. Next step is to unfold all those blintz folds so that you get back to this point. And I want you to focus on the left-hand side. We're gonna fold it on this line, fold it over on this line. And as you can see, there's a line here and a line here, okay? Now, let me get into the light so you can see. Yeah, see how there's a line here and a line here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this fold and we're gonna fold it, reverse it. See how this fold is like this? We're gonna reverse it so that it's not like this. And we're gonna do the same thing on this line. We're gonna reverse this fold. And now there's this little like flap that's in the middle now. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're gonna fold the right-hand side over and reverse these 2 folds. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see. And maybe the light would be better. See how these folds are like this? I'm reversing them like that. And it's the same thing on this side. This line, I'm reversing like this. So now we have 2 sides like this. The next step, let me zoom out. We're gonna close this, so now it's like this. The fold, just squash everything. And if we rotate our model, we can now lift one of these flaps. This top right flap, we'll lift it up, like so. This bottom left flap, we're gonna fold it down like this. And as you can see, the pinwheel's already starting to form. Now the last few steps is we're gonna flip the whole model over and we're gonna remake these diagonal folds. So I'm gonna fold one diagonal, like so. Unfold, fold the other diagonal, and unfold. Then I'm gonna flip the model over and I'm gonna make the vertical and the horizontal line folds. I'm gonna remake those folds. So I'm gonna fold the vertical line, unfold, and fold the horizontal line, and unfold. Now I'm going to push from the bottom up and pop this up. And what I'm gonna do, just to make sure that you see how my model is kind of concave on this side? Concave meaning that it's going in. To do that, I pinched both on those diagonals. I pinch those and I press them in so that it makes kind of like this cross shape right here, this X shape. And then I open it up a little bit just so the pen has something to rest on and balance on. Because if it's too flat, the pen might not rest on the center. So now your model is complete. And of course you need a pen or something sharp. You put it underneath and gently blow. Oops. And when I say gently, I mean gently, guys. And there's your Penwheel. I hope you were able to fold this. Much love, and I'll see you soon.